my channel. If you haven't already been here, my name is Clarizz. I want to say hello, I want to say welcome. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Every single week we do tons of great DIY projects. Since late last year, I've been sharing with all of you a lot of my DIY wedding stuff. Just starting to put everything out until I actually show you my wedding video, which a lot of you have requested me for. Meanwhile, today I'm going to be sharing with you my bridal shower that a lot of lovely ladies have made possible for me. I also did a couple DIYs for this day. It wasn't a surprise bridal shower. I knew that it was gonna happen. I didn't want any surprises. And my friends and family helped with food and also a bunch of games. And it was just a lovely day with very, very special people in my life. So I wanna share this with all of you and hoping that you can get some inspiration if you are gonna be doing a bridal shower for any of your friends or even for yourself. So let's take a look at what happened that day. I did DIY this balloon garland. It only cost me $20, but it could have cost me a lot less, maybe less than $7. It's because I bought a bunch of the 24 inches balloons, and also I bought some premium balloons from Party City. I had to buy the balloon blower from Amazon. It cost me around $20 as well. And then I added all of these wisteria that was from my wedding DIY backdrop that I have on my channel already. If you want to see a DIY on this garland, comment down below. And then I also did a previous DIY on these Cricut cutouts. I'll put that up here in the card. This beautiful rose and strawberry tower I also did a previous DIY on. And then I added a Cricut topper with the same thing as the balloon on the top. And everything, all of these items or DIYs will be in the link down below. My mom bought these Freshwater Pearls from the Philippines. They only cost me $2, but however, they are from the Philippines and they were just a giveaway for every single one of the ladies that came. Some really nice prizes for the games, and we had Victoria's Secret bags that we found on sale. We have these beautiful bath bombs and also candles with a ring inside. The ladies also got some nice creams from Bath & Body Works, so those are really nice prizes. As far as florals, kept it really minimal with these beautiful lavender flowers. These roses are from Costco, and the other ones are just from my uncle's backyard, and so I just randomly placed that in a nice oval vase. For the food, we had a lot of charcuterie items, which is really nice because the guests love to pick on that. We had paella and a bunch of other Filipino foods that were really easy to make. My mom made all of this. She was amazing, so thank you, Mom.
When you come in, some people are supposed to grab a necklace and then you can't say these words. Yeah, playing a game to try and see what's in the purse.
Where's the chocolate? It counts because it's gum chocolate. Okay, in third place, what happened? With 73 points. That's me. Okay. In second place with 87 points. Whoa!
Who's first?
117.
Oh my! What?
My mother-in-law, that carries.
feel absolutely blessed with the bestest friends and family. It was such a lovely day, not just for me, but also for my now husband, Oscar. And so we're very grateful for such a wonderful, wonderful event. And if you guys want to see more of my own wedding DIYs, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Also, I have a vlog channel, House of Cali, where you can all see a lot of other vlogs that I did for our wedding and our journey and all of that. Thank you all for tuning in with me. Make sure you comment down below, give me a big wave, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.